Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Okay, first things first, you need to either go to the top right or the bottom right, depending on where the menu button is located for you. In my case, it's in the bottom right, so I'll just click here. Then, navigate to the top where it says See Your Profile and click there. Then, this will take you to your profile page. Once you are on your profile page, just go to the top right where you'll find the three dots in between a pen icon and a magnifying glass. Click there to open up a menu. Now, look down the profile settings page, and near the bottom, you'll find the option to turn on professional mode. And just click on that button. After that, you'll see a message that says, Add new tools to your profile so you can grow as a creator. Just tap on Turn On like this and wait for the next page to load. After that, you'll be taken to the Professional Mode Setup page, where you can customize your profile for a creator account. Click on Add or Edit Your Bio to update your profile information. You can also select your profile category. And lastly, do not forget explore all the different sections to fully customize your professional account and become a digital creator on Facebook. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now change Facebook profile to digital creator. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.